Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Hacoo. You will go to settings as you see and you will enter. Then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Hacoo and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your